Hey everyone, we're back with another Tech Tuesday video. This time we'll be looking at Business Source Premier. This is a great resource if you're looking up information about a business, so like Apple, Microsoft, things like that. It's one of our EBSCO products, so it's really good for researching purposes. It'll give you the latest news as to what the business is doing and things like that. So as always, we're going to go to www.mapld.org and we're going to go to our website. We're going to go to Research and Learning. You're going to need to know your library card number and PIN for this. So if you have any questions about your PIN, if you have any issues, you can always give us a call at 708-748-4431 or email us at mtslib@mapld.org, or use our virtual chat service on the left-hand corner of your screen where it says Let's Chat. Click on that. Go ahead and write your question right here and we'll get to you and help you with that. So as always, we're going to go Research and Learning, A to Z list. We're going to go to Business Source Premier. Once you click on it, you will see this library card number here and your PIN. Hit sign in, and this will be the site you see. So for example, for this one, we can just do something simple like Apple iPhone. So this is all geared toward businesses. And what they can do is they not only give you some of the recent articles about Apple iPhones, but they also give you some buying guides. Sometimes you'll see Consumer Report pop up here. You have the full text. Always remember to limit to full text because you don't want to have just an abstract of a document. You want the full, complete document so you can read what they're talking about. If it's a newspaper, if it's a journal or a magazine. After the first, usually 2 or 3, you'll see video results here. So you'll see what the latest video results for whatever your topic that you put. So this was iPhone, so you'll see this here. So you can see PC World, and it keeps going. I have a couple of different periodicals. There's mostly probably periodicals for Apple as far as news. They also have a cool feature called Newswire. So if you look here, you'll see like latest things that happen in the news. You can click find more, and then you'll see more things as far as like a newsworthy articles. But it's very simple to use. I like it, especially if you're looking for just what's going on with the business. If you hear something on the news about a business venture where they're like paying out, like example like this right here, the iPhone battery claims, things like that, or issues or recalls, you can definitely use this resource to go ahead and search and see if what comes up for that specific topic. But as always, very simple. You're just going to go to our website, mapld.org. You're going to go Research and Learning, A to Z list, and click on Business Source Premier. So you just have to have your library card and your PIN, and you're all set. Simple Tech Tuesday this week. I will see you again next week with another one. Take care, stay safe. Till next time. Bye.